So they're not evil systems. They're just, when they execute the way they're designed to, it oftentimes can lead to frustration when you're in a more dynamic environment, right? When you're facing these sort of distributed network problems that are now all around us, regardless of what industry you're in. So we have to retain that. We don't want to become chaotic just for the sake of being fast, right? But we also have to understand and leverage that sort of network reality that we're facing, right? So we know we have these things inside because, this person went to school with this person, so they've got some sort of network dynamic and tie. That's great. But I need to expand and increase the likelihood that when the moment requires it, that this team here can both pass information up to their boss in a traditional sense and not be afraid and know when to create a network tie with this leader over here across the org chart and this sort of peer-to-peer relationship that normally would take, multiple steps to get to. In a normal bureaucracy, I can't just connect over here unless we happen to have gone to school together and there's an existing relationship. I need to be able to say, I went out and learned the following, 5 or 6 things in the environment. I need to pass, these 2 or 3 up to my boss so that she can make a structured and longer-term decision based on that. And there's one thing down here that I need to get to this team over here because they're about to face a similar problem, close a similar deal, whatever the case may be. So living in this sort of hybrid structure became the goal. How do we retain and scale the strength of this traditional bureaucratic system that's taken generations to build and layer in a system that allows these sort of red line networks to evolve and change organically and at a pace that it moves as quickly as this environment we find ourselves in the middle of that's now dominated in many ways by network dynamics.